We got a 9R PTO. We've boxed it up, so I apologize. There's other videos and there's imaging online of the clutch. Come off of a 9520R, 2015, 2019. Bought it off a guy in Canada. They rebuilt the clutch. Looks like it has a new, or at least maybe a reworked shaft. It's got new U-joints in it. No spline wear. Probably because this in here probably had fire on it. That one there looks good. It appears to have all the Sheilds with it. And even a little wiring harness. Got some bolts. Sensor. If you look at the images, of the clutch, it also has a couple new sensors on it. It's already been installed. It's going to come in this crate. So I did see some bolts in here, but I'm gonna say that, you know, you're gonna have some hardware to come up with. You can't buy this as an assembly, as far as we can tell. And it probably won't last very long, but we got it for now.